Creating a watermark for your brand, business, or personal creations is very important. You want to create a watermark that's visible but doesn't ruin the quality of whatever you're trying to show off. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a watermark from scratch in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get into it. Let's say you have your artwork ready to go and you just need to add the watermark. We're going to grab the text tool and we're going to type whatever your brand or business's name is. We're going to make it white so we could lower the opacity of it and have it be transparent later. And we're going to expand it. Get fancy with it, create whatever designs you want your watermark to be. We're going to go over to Object Pattern Make, and a pattern is instantly created for us. We're just going to grab our top layer and slightly drag it to the left, and our bottom layer slightly to the right. I also duplicated some of the text and dragged them also to the right and left of the tile bounds to create a more seamless and fluid pattern for our watermark. And it's really that simple. We're going to grab the rectangle tool and drag it over our artwork and select our new pattern that was automatically turned into a swatch. And that's how you create the basics of a watermark. Now you just have to lower the opacity to your likeliness. And that's how you create watermarks in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. I hope you're able to learn something new today. If you like design tips like this, consider subscribing to my channel for more graphic design tips and videos.